In this video, I'll be going over Producer.AI, giving you an overview of how to use every single feature that Producer.AI has to offer. This video is for beginners only. So Producer.AI is a website or AI that previously was known as Refusion.AI, but is now turned over to Producer.AI and has a lot of different features that other competitors such as Suno.AI and Udio doesn't have. But we will go over that in just a bit. As you can see here, this is the front page where you'll probably get started when you log into your account or create a new account. Then from here, you'll see over in the menu, you'll see an Explorer page where you can see featured songs that other people have created. You'll see following and personalized down here. Down here, you'll also see library, and this is where all of your songs will be stored, all your vibes, your projects, and your playlists down here. You'll also have an option to add sessions, but we'll be talking about that a bit later in this video. Alright, so now it's time to create a song. And to do that, you need to click New Session up here. And here you'll see something that looks a little bit like ChatGPT or Midjourney or any other AI you probably used. Then from here, you need to go up to Compose, where you'll go into this icon right here. Then from here, you can add in your own specific lyrics, or you can make it instrumental over here, and you can add a sound if you want to do that. But for this tutorial right now, I'm just gonna click Ask Producer to showcase how this is gonna look like. So to create a song, you simply need to ask it to create, let's say, a drill song with 150 beats per minute. Then from here, I have three options. You can either go down here to this plus icon, where you can add in a live recording into the session, or you can upload audio or an image if you want to do that. Then from here, you'll also have this filter icon up here. And when you click on it, you'll have the option to either customize Producer or change the specific model, AI model, if you want to do that. If I click Customize Producer, it will go up to this page over here. Then you'll have instructions where you can give the AI instructions for how you want your sound to look like or sound like. Over here, you'll also have flows. And if I create a new flow, you'll see I can name a new flow and I can give the flow instructions, like generate an image of an iceberg doing something unexpected, write lyrics about the picture into a random language, or generating two songs with those lyrics and compelling sound prompts. Then from here, I simply need to click Send Message, and then Producer.AI will create a song for me. As you can see right here, Street Talk has been made. Down here, I can make it darker if you want to do that. I can add a catchy hook if I'm not satisfied with the hook that Producer.AI has already made, or I can add a faster tempo, or I can click something I want specifically for the AI to change in this specific song. If you go up to Compose, you'll see you can make the lyrics over here. If you want to do that, you can add lyrics, or you can make instrumental like I told you before. Down here, you can also add a sound, where you can describe sounds a little bit like Ask Producer feature down here. But the only difference is, if I click Advanced here, this will pop up. And you're probably seen this with Midjourney or Leonardo AI, but this is also pretty easy to do. Here you need to select the prompt. You can change the prompt timing up here if you want to do that. You can add the strength of the prompt down here, where you can select with this slider over here. You can add a sound, a vibe, or a negative prompt if you want to do that. Down here you can also add dynamics, meaning lyric strength, where you can slide this feature over here. You can add the weirdness. You can add the key, the beats per minute, and the length of the song. Down here you can also add a seed if you want to do that, and you can change the model if you want to do that. Down here you can also go down to details, where you can add a title, and you can upload image, prompt image, or add to a specific project that will be stored over here in the menu. Then from here you simply need to click Generate, and then Producer.AI will generate a new song for you. With Producer.AI, you'll also be able to generate lyrics for your own specific song. And to do that, you simply need to go up to Compose over here and say down to Ask Producer, create lyrics like with drill in mind. And when I click this right here, send message, you'll see that it's generating lyrics over here. And this can take some time depending on how fast Producer.AI is today, like so. And as you can see here, the intro gives you a verse, a chorus, a verse 2, chorus again, verse 3, which in this example will be Spanish, a bridge, a chorus again, and an outro. Down here you can also, again, select the create drill beat, add more verses, or make the lyrics darker if you want to do that. And as again, you can go over to compose and really generate your own song with this lyrics over here. Now let's click on prices. So there's different prices with Producer.AI, and unfortunately it is not totally free. There is a free program over here, meaning that it is $0 per month, also monthly, of course, where you'll get daily top-up credits, 2 concurrent generations, non-commercial use, and all core features. Over here is where you'll need to pay money. And this one is called Starter, which is for a yearly subscription $6 per month, or month-to-month basis $8 per month. But with this you'll get 3,000 credits monthly, which is equivalent to about 600 songs. You'll get daily top-up credits, 8 concurrent generations, commercial use rights, meaning that you can put it onto Spotify and onto your YouTube page, and you'll be able to all core features, like with the free version over here. Then there's Plus, which is $18 per month in a yearly basis, or $24 per month. And here you'll get 10,000 credits monthly, which is equivalent to about 2,000 songs. You'll get daily top-up credits, 12 concurrent generations, you'll get commercial use rights, and all core features. Down here is the members, and the most popular. This one is $48 per month in a yearly basis, or $64 per month, month to month. With this you'll get 30,000 credits monthly, which is equivalent to about 6,000 songs a month. You'll get daily top-up credits, 16 concurrent generations, commercial use rights, all core features, a members badge, a members Discord channel, and you'll be invited to member events and get swag apparently, and also early access to new features. If you're not interested in getting all of these, you can also go down to here and get credits instead. And here you'll see that it's the same prices to get these credits, and you'll see what you get with it. So of course, if you pay $6 per month, you get 600 songs with commercial use rights. And of course, 2,000 songs and 6,000 songs, etc., etc. Down here you can also see all the features that you get with these specific plans. And as you can see here, you can get all of these plans, the members access, and all of that. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!